we were discussing about the photochemistry and pericyclic reaction, the topic cycloaddition reaction, in which we have to discuss right now the analysis of cycloaddition reaction by frontier molecular orbital method. So the analysis now we have to see by frontier molecular orbital method, FMO method. In this method, see general example, one example, see here 2 pi electron system interact with another 2 pi electron system, and this system gives the cyclic product. So this is our reaction, cycloaddition reaction. Now by using FMO method, we have to predict whether this reaction is allowed thermally or photochemically. Which mode of activation required for this reaction, that we have to find out by using frontier molecular orbital method, FMO method. So what we have to do in this method, we have to consider the reactant molecule. Which are the reactant? Two species are the reactant species. This 2 pi electron system, this 2 pi electron system. So 2 pi electron system, 2 pi electron system interacting here. So first we have to draw the molecular orbital of first unit, molecular orbital of second unit, and find out HOMO and LUMO. Let's see the example, you will understand directly with that example. So here 2 pi electron system is there, this interacting with another 2 pi electron system, so that we get the cyclic product. Now in this 2 pi electron system, so two molecular orbitals psi and psi star. Psi and psi star. These are two molecular orbitals. Here this one is also psi and psi star. Two molecular orbitals are there. Okay. If more than two orbitals, then we can say psi 1, psi 2, psi 3. Okay, but here only two orbitals. That's why we are saying psi and psi star. Okay, so I'm drawing here the orbital psi and psi star for first ethylene molecule, first unit, 2 pi electron system. So these are two atomic orbitals. These are two atomic orbitals. You know that here 0 node, here 1 node. So 1 node placed here, 0 node plus, minus, minus. Here 1 node plus, minus, minus, plus. Symmetries, it is M symmetry, it is having C2 symmetry. So 2 pi electron. Now 2 pi electrons entered into the ground state orbital. This is 2 pi electron. 2 pi electron entered into the ground state orbital. So this is the orbital where 2 pi electron enter and another orbital empty. So now which is HOMO here? This is first unit we are discussing about. The 2 pi electron here enters. So last orbital containing the electron is highest occupied molecular orbital, and this is lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Highest occupied molecular orbital, this is lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Let's see the second. Here two orbitals, same situation in the ground state. Two atomic orbitals. So these two atomic orbitals are there. These two atomic orbitals. Two atomic orbitals, 0 node, 1 node. Here plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay, symmetries. This is having M symmetry. It is having C2 symmetry. So electron distribution in the same manner. And this is empty. So this is LUMO, lowest unoccupied molecular orbital, and HOMO, highest occupied molecular orbital. Now here in this case, this is first reacting molecule, this is second reacting molecule. Now in both, if reaction to occur, there must be use of one HOMO from one molecule, and another LUMO, so that reaction occurs. LUMO means it's an empty orbital, HOMO means it's a filled orbital. So here we are taking the HOMO of first orbital. So HOMO first partner, HOMO of first partner is that HOMO psi and having which symmetry? Having EM symmetry. Having EM symmetry. So here HOMO of first partner is psi and having EM symmetry. Now we have to consider LUMO. LUMO of second partner is psi star and having C2 symmetry. So LUMO of second partner, LUMO of second partner has, which is at psi star, C2 symmetry. C2 symmetry. Okay. Let's see here HOMO. So psi, we are taking a HOMO of first partner. This is HOMO of first partner. Plus, minus, minus. What is LUMO of second partner? This is LUMO of second partner. So this is on the drawing here. LUMO of second partner and C2 symmetry. So plus, minus, minus, plus. If we see the overlap, then here, because this 2s, this is also 2s, most of the reactions, majority of reactions, 2s plus 2s, only rare reactions are 2s, 2a, 2a, such type of reactions. Most of the reactions occurring suprafacially, orbital overlap occurring suprafacially. Here both acting suprafacially. So suprafacially mode gives such type of reaction where we get here bonding, same sign overlap, but here plus and minus overlap. So anti-bonding overlap, and hence this reaction is symmetry forbidden. We are taking here ground state HOMOs. Okay, ground state HOMOs. So this reaction is not allowed by thermal mode. Symmetry forbidden reaction by thermal mode of activation. So by thermal mode of activation, this reaction is not allowed. 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction is not allowed. The reason behind that, because HOMO and LUMO have different symmetries. HOMO has EM symmetry, LUMO has C2 symmetry. So different symmetries are there, and due to different symmetries, the bonding overlap doesn't occur here. When anti-bonding overlap occurs and anti-bonding overlap is there, that means this reaction is symmetry forbidden reaction. Okay, let's see the photochemical activation. Now in the photochemical activation, when we apply photochemical mode or we activate this reaction by light, then what happens when light falls on this ethylene molecule? Then some of the molecules, not all molecules, but some of the molecules of ethylene shows excitation. That is one of the, see here, one of the electron from this HOMO goes to higher excited state. One of the electron from this HOMO goes to higher excited state, and some other molecules do not have any excitation, so 2 remains as it is. Molecules in the first cell or first orbital remains same to 2 orbital. This is unexcited molecule and this is excited molecule, in which one of the electron goes to excited state. Okay, so the mixture of, when we irradiate the ethylene mixture, then we obtain the mixture of excited molecule and not excited molecule, that is ground state molecule and excited state molecule mixture. Now this is HOMO of the unexcited molecule, HOMO, and this is LUMO. Now here, which is highest occupied? This is highest occupied molecular orbital. Highest occupied molecular orbital, which is having C2 symmetry, and here lowest unoccupied molecule having C2 symmetry. So we have to take the HOMO from excited partner and LUMO from the ground state partner. So ground state partner and excited state partner leads to the bonding overlap. Let's see, one HOMO and one LUMO we have to consider. So we have to consider here HOMO of excited state partner. So HOMO of excited molecule is psi star and has C2 symmetry. Which symmetry? Here C2 symmetry present. C2 symmetry. Similarly, LUMO of ground state molecule, which is LUMO of ground state molecule is also psi star and has C2 symmetry. And has C2 symmetry. So LUMO of ground state molecule has C2 symmetry. HOMO also having. So HOMO of one partner and the LUMO of another partner. So HOMO of excited molecule and LUMO of ground state molecule. So they having C2 symmetry, plus minus. This is C2 symmetry, plus minus plus. So this is C2 symmetry. So if we look at the overlap, this acting suprafacially, this one acting suprafacially. So here let's same overlap, bonding overlap. Here also same sign overlap is a bonding overlap. Now in this case bonding overlap occurs, both bonding overlap occurs, and hence this reaction is allowed by photochemical mode, because there is no possibility of the bonding overlap in ground state orbital or by thermal activation, because in thermal activation no excitation is there, and here in this case this excitation is due to photochemical activation. Hence from this we can say that 2s plus 2s reaction is always allowed by photochemical mode of activation. So this is the result of cycloaddition reaction, or result of cycloaddition reaction by analysis with the help of frontier molecular orbital method. With the help of FMO method we can show that the 2s plus 2s cycloaddition reactions are photochemically allowed reaction. Let's see the second example. 4 plus 2, 4s plus 2s reactions. Now in the 4s plus 2s we have to find out with the help of frontier molecular orbital method. The question on this topic may be like this. With the help of frontier molecular orbital method, prove that Diels-Alder reaction, or find whether the 4 plus 2 cycloaddition, 4s plus 2s cycloaddition reactions are thermally allowed reactions or photochemically allowed reactions. Or similarly, with the help of FMO method, predict that 2s plus 2s cycloaddition reactions are thermally allowed or photochemically allowed. Also these 4s plus 2s reactions are also called as Diels-Alder reaction. So sometimes with the help of FMO method, predict whether a Diels-Alder reaction is thermally allowed or photochemically allowed. So 2s plus 2s reactions are photochemically allowed. We have predicted from frontier molecular orbital method. Now here we have to write first general reaction. So general reaction, 4 pi electron system interact with 2 pi electron system, and we get 6-membered ring. So cyclic shift of electron is there, and due to cyclic shift we obtain this product. Okay, so this is Diels-Alder reaction. One is diene. So this species which is having 2 double bonds, this species is called as diene, and this is alkene or alkyne. This is dienophile. One is diene and another is dienophile. To make this reaction faster, it is desirable that the dienophile must be electron acceptor and diene must be electron rich, so that reaction will be fast. And this is always present. Diene must be present in yes-cis conformation. This conformation is the yes-cis conformation. Means cis same side double bonds with respect to single bond. We call it S cis. This is cis. Double bonds are on the same side of this single bond. So S cis conformation, and S cis conformation is most favorable for Diels-Alder reaction. Most favorable for Diels-Alder reaction. Let's see here. This is 4 pi electron system. So 4 molecular orbitals, psi1, psi2, psi3 star, psi4 star. Okay, and this is second partner, which is 2 pi electron. We say pi and pi star. 2 pi electrons, pi and pi star. First, let's draw the orbital for 3, 4. This is third psi3 star, 4 atomic orbitals, 4 molecular orbitals. See here 0 node, 1 node, 2 node, 3 node. 0 node here, 1 node placed here, 2 node placed in between, and 3 nodes placed in between. So plus, 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 minus, 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 minus. Here plus, plus, node changes to minus, minus. Then the remaining signs here plus, after node it becomes minus, minus, after node again it changes to plus. When there is a node in the system, the sign changes. So let's see the symmetries. It is having M symmetry, it is having C2 symmetry, M symmetry, it is having C2 symmetry. So this is symmetric pattern, symmetries. And electron distribution here. So 4 pi electron. So 4 electrons, 2 enter into this, 2 enter into this, 4 in the ground state we are looking. So this is HOMO, highest occupied molecular orbital, and this is LUMO for 4 pi electron system. Similarly, the 2 pi electron system is there, and this 2 pi electron system, pi and pi star. These are 2 orbitals. So 2 orbitals are shown in this manner. So 0 node and 1 node placed in between. So plus, plus, minus, minus. Here plus due to node changes to minus. So this sign changes after node. So it is having M symmetry, it is having C2 symmetry. C2 symmetry. So electron distribution here, here 2 pi electrons here. So this is HOMO and this one is LUMO. This one is LUMO. So HOMO and this is LUMO. So here in this case, if we look at the HOMO of 4 pi electron system, HOMO of 4 pi electron system, one partner, 4 pi system, which is psi2 and has symmetry, psi2 has C2 symmetry, and also LUMO of 2 pi electron system, LUMO of 2 pi electron system, or another partner is pi star and having C2 symmetry. So HOMO and LUMO have same symmetry, and this reaction is thermally allowed reaction. So we can say that 4S plus 2S reaction is thermal allowed reaction. So this reaction is thermal allowed reaction because in this case HOMO and LUMO have same symmetry. So this is HOMO of first partner. This is HOMO of first partner having C2 symmetry. So plus, plus, minus, minus, and another LUMO as C2 symmetry. C2 symmetry. C2 symmetry can be shown like this also. Now it is better to show overlap in this manner. So these both use bonding overlap. Hence this reaction is thermal allowed reaction. So it leads to these two selection rules. 2S plus 2S cycloaddition reactions are photochemically allowed, and 4S plus 2S cycloaddition reactions are thermally allowed reactions. Thank you.